Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We have a new update coming out, and yeah, it's insane. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So first we have construction malfunction. What is this? Thumb activated? Hold on. Let's go check this out. Hello? Is this... Does it do anything? Hello? Ah! No, it doesn't. This is... Oh! I wonder if it's for, like, only for other people? Let's go check this stuff out. Outside one. Free badge! Let's go. I think every update has a free badge. Is that a flamethrower? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold up real quick. What is this? Does it like... Does it do anything? No. Oh, shoot! Is it... Does it only do that? That's pretty cool. Yo! Alright, this is pretty sick, bro. Alright. Yo, what is this? Ugh. These are too big. Huh, oh. Oh, that's kind of... That's a kind of cool badge. A hammer. Oh my god! Hold on. This is awesome! Okay, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's try this. What is it? Oh my gosh! That's kind of hard to control. Okay, that's really cool. Gorilla Tiger. Why are my controllers vibrating, bro? Alright, oh, whatever. I think, hold on, guys. My controllers are... Alright, there we go. That's really cool. I like this update. Let me take this up real quick. Okay, that's... What do these do? Did I just, like... Yeah, what are these? I think they're just for appears. That's pretty cool, though. I like how they light up. Wait. They light up as he talk or something? Ah! I don't think so. I think they just light up randomly. Press. Press. Oh. The other kind of press. Okay. Okay, next one. Trigger activated. Okay, let's not select all this stuff that I can actually, there's no point. Ooh, I like this update, man. Speed activated? What does that mean? I don't think it does much. Ooh, it does do a little... I think it's the trail. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. Nope, wrong one. Does it, like, do anything? Can you eat it, or... No? No. Okay, that's pretty cool. This is a good update. This is awesome. But what is this flashing? What is that? Oh. Oh, wait. Let's check out the bundles. The bundles. Bundles. Oh. What does this do? It's just like a shield or something? That's pretty cool. Is there anything on the back? Oh, shoot! Okay, that's awesome. That's really cool. Next one. Oh, it seems like it's like a shield thing. Oh, it's an angry monkey. What's this? Same theme as the last one. Oh yeah, this is the one with the... Yeah, this thing. I don't know what this is. I don't know, J-Man Curly. Is there anything on my... The last time I missed something on my back. Just some yellow tape. Nope, nothing. Yeah. Alright, let's go see if there's any more. No! I missed the OG Cosmetics! God dang it! Okay, well. That's why. Wait. What's better? No? Ah! I have that one! His name is Jim Bob! Stop purring, shut up. Yes, see, it's you. Free badge? Yes! Free badge! Let's get the other one too. Why not? Free badge, free badge. Yes. Okay, got the free badges now. Let's go! Okay, so I think you guys have already seen this update. Except for this. Okay, this is pretty cool. Let me check this out real quick. Yo! Okay, this is really cool. But I'm just so disappointed that it's the OG Cosmetics. Like the golden cowboy hat like I showed in my last video. Well, that sucks, but I think there'll probably be... Oh, it could be because it's like a 5-year thing, so they brought back OG Cosmetics. Maybe in 10 years. Maybe in 10 years or some... They'll bring back the... Hold on. That was it. Maybe they'll bring back the OG Cosmetics. Hi, I remember this. Is there anything... I feel like... What is this? Like a... Do I have to do it like a... No? There's nothing. Ooh. Looks like there's something in here. Ah! No? Wait, what is this? Is it like a... No. Nothing changed over there. I think something left there. I don't know what it was. What's this? Save Chloe. What's up? What's going on here? Ooh. Whoa, what is this? Whoa. Ah! Oh my gosh. You great. Wait, I need to see the... Okay, let's go. Go. Ah, I was so close. Okay, let's try this one more time. One more time. Okay, just one more time. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Nope, never mind. Okay. No! Okay, let's try this yet again. Okay, go. Yup. It was only for a second, but that's still pretty cool. Let's see. Is there anything else? Anything in here? No. Nah, nothing. Let's see if there's anything behind here. Nope. Oh. Nothing. Let's go check. Yeah, let's go see if beaches. Alright, guys, I'll be back in a second. Alright, guys, so beach doesn't really seem to have changed. Oh, it's like a St. Patrick's Day update or something. I haven't been on beach in forever. Ah, I wonder, can you still? I don't think you can. Nope. Ah, wait, you might be able to. Wait. Let me try it. You might be able to. Hold on. Not really. I haven't thrown one of those in forever. Oh. That was really far. Oh. Oh my gosh! Throwing those things is so fun. I haven't played beach in forever, man. Can I still? Oh, you can. Nope, never mind. Well, let's go back. I don't think there's really anything new. So, yeah, that'll be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy, I would really appreciate if you liked and subscribe. I also forgot to mention that you guys absolutely blew up my last video. 95 views, which is insane for me. So thank you a lot, guys. And thank you to the 2 new subscribers that I got. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.